Money will never be a problem to you if you can do this ritual for 7 days. Yes, money will never be a problem to you if you can do this ritual for 7 days. If you are into business or you have work that you are doing, but you have been finding it difficult to get money, you have been finding it difficult to get money. After watching this video, after practicing this video, you will see that money will no longer be a problem to you if you can do it for 7 days. Yes, money will no longer be a problem to you. In this way, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can practice this powerful ritual, this 7 days powerful ritual, and you see that money will never be a problem to you because there are things you can do and the universe will start blessing you. I want to share with you on this video how you can do it and money will never be a problem to you. Okay, so make sure you watch the video to an end and give me a thumbs up if you like my teachings. For those of you that like my teaching, that love me, give me a thumbs up, comment, share this video so that other people will see it and learn something that will help change their life. Okay, so firstly you need to understand that before you do this ritual for 7 days, there are some items you need to have. Yes, there are some items you need to have for you to be able to carry this ritual out for 7 days. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the items on this video. First item you need to have is this particular leaf. Okay, you need to get dried one. This is ogress leaf. You need to get seven. You need to get seven dried one, and you need to get a native egg. A native egg, seven native egg, and you need to get honey, original honey, not fake one. Make sure you get original honey, and you need to get money, any denomination of your choice. You need to get money, okay, for you to be able to carry out this ritual. Now, once you have gotten all these items that I have showed you, the first day, if you are starting it from Monday, the first day you are going to burn this leaf, the seven of it. You are going to burn it and get the ashes. Okay, get the ashes. Now, when you get the ashes, you are going to pack the ashes together, keep the ashes together. That Monday, take a little of that ashes and get water in a bucket, in a white bucket. Take note, get a white bucket and take a little ash of this ogress leaf and add inside that white bucket. Now, when you add it inside that white bucket, you are going to use that water to bathe yourself from your head to your toe, and you get one white egg. As you are bathing yourself, you use that white egg to be cleansing your body from your head to your toe. You say that whatever thing that is blocking you from getting money, that is hindering you from getting money, that you are bathing it off. Okay, this spiritual exercise, you are going to practice it in the night, 11 o'clock in the night. Okay, you practice it 11 o'clock in the night. That's when you are going to be bathing yourself with that egg. Okay, after bathing yourself with that egg, after touching your whole body with that egg, as you are saying those things, you break that egg that first night. Okay, that first night you break that egg. Now, after bathing yourself that first night, in the next morning, which is Tuesday morning, after taking your bath in the morning, use that honey and declare words into your life, positive words into your life. Use that honey and declare words into your life, positive words, and lick a little of that honey and use a little and rub your hand and your foot. Okay, rub your hand and your foot. Then take that money that you have, any denomination of that you have, as you are going out on that Tuesday morning. Look for some beggars, people that need a financial assistance, and dash them that money. Okay, dash them that money. The second day being Tuesday night, okay, you take another ash of this ogress leaf, add it inside that white bucket again, and use another egg, white egg, to bathe yourself again. Okay, 11 o'clock in the night. That is the time you will practice this bathing in the night. Okay, do it for 7 days. Now, when it's Wednesday morning, you do the same thing with the honey and the money. You repeat the same process in the morning. Okay, you are going to repeat this process for 7 days. Make sure it is up to 7 days. We are going to repeat this process for 7 days. Once it's up to 7 days, it is over. Okay, it is over. You are not going to do it again. You will see that your financial doors will be opening from left, right, front, and back. Things will be going well with you if you can be able to practice this tip very, very well. Okay, this is a very powerful secret that I'm revealing to you. Okay, this is a very powerful secret that I'm revealing to you. 7 days powerful spiritual ritual that you can do, and you see open doors. Okay, for you, if you can be able to practice it. Okay, just repeat this process for good 7 days, and you see how things will be going for you. If you have any question you want to ask on this video, you can ask on the comment section. Make sure you use the comment section. Drop your question on the comment section so that I will reply you. Okay, if you don't understand it, use the comment section. And if you have any spiritual problem you need assistance on, just chat me up with the number showing on the screen. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, if you like my teaching but you have not subscribed, just make sure you subscribe so that you get my videos. I have a lot of things I want to teach you on this channel. Okay, so that whatever problem that you have been going through in life, through this channel, by special grace of God, you will come out of that problem. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, like my videos so that other people will see it and learn something that will also change their life positively. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.